Okay, so this is what I did to record a macro. Um, Creating a macro that will change a Q or an A to colloquy. So I place my cursor here. Now I'm going to hit my keyboard macro to start recording. I'm going to press Control and Shift together and then hit my right arrow 2 times to highlight that A and hit delete. Then I'm going to hit Control T. I'm going to hit CO for colloquy, and then I'm going to hit my Enter key. That changes it to colloquy. I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to call this Q or A to colloquy. And I'm just going to use F12 just because I can. So now I'm assigning those key presses that I did to F12. I'm going to say yes because I'm going to use it anyways. Alright, so now I'm going to try it. Here's my question. I'm going to make a quick change so you can see, because I know some people wait, I want to make colloquy and give it a 1/2 inch in. Yours might go in more. Alright, so now I'm going to go to this line. Have to be at the beginning of the line. I'm going to hit F12. And you'll see that it has now changed it into colloquy. Do it again next line, hit it, and there you go. That's all there is to it.